Welcome everyone. I am Dr. S.M. Raju, a former IAS officer and the inventor of herbal medicine for incurable diseases. I have spent over 35 years passionately researching and experimenting with natural remedies to not only treat severe conditions but also to maintain overall health. I would like to extend my gratitude to India Vaidyas for organizing this Ayurdarshan virtual conclave, and a special thanks to Sri Shripad Yesso Nayak sir, the former Union Minister for Ayush. After witnessing the health benefits of my herbal formulations, he encouraged me to bring these products and the underlying science to the public. This led to the Government of India and Government of Karnataka to fund for this project. And now we have US FDA approved production facilities. Today I am excited to introduce you to a unique science called Neo Ayurveda miracle drinks. This is a blend of allopathic principles with the medicinal wisdom of Ayurveda without using purified metals in the formulations. As the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. This was true for me. In 1973, I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, which required painful antibiotic injection every 21 days. However, in 1981, while studying a course in medicinal plants, I was inspired to experiment with natural treatments on myself. My experiments were successful, sparking my lifelong passion for research. In 2008, my father was diagnosed with acute renal failure, and in 2010, my son was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia. I applied my herbal formulations alongside conventional treatments for both, and to my great relief, they recovered. Now, let me tell you more about Neo Ayurveda and its approach to healing. This science focuses on cell regeneration in dysfunctional organs, helping to regenerate the entire system. In current medical science, treatments like bypass surgery, stents, and grafting are used to improve blood circulations in the arteries that range from 15 mm to 25 mm. But when it comes to the capillaries and microcapillaries, no such treatments exist. Neo Ayurveda addresses this gap by ensuring blood circulation at the capillaries level, which improves nourishments and detoxification of cells. A key element of Neo Ayurveda is the rejuvenation of the gut microbiota, the beneficial microbes in our digestive system. This ensures the release of enzymes which act as catalysts, allowing nutrients from food to be properly absorbed by the body. With Neo Ayurveda, even terminal stage diseases such as chronic kidney diseases, liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, and severe diabetes with complications like diabetic neuropathy, diabetic retinopathy, and diabetic ulcers can be successfully treated and can be healed. Our medicines, which contains no metals, act as a prebiotics, stimulating the growth of beneficial gut microbes, wherein in our Neo Ayurveda we are having 12 products in capsules and liquid formats, including anti-aging, ortho care, gastro care, cardiovascular care, liver care, immune care, renal care, joint pain healing oil, and diuretic powders. Whereas at present in the world, I hope that other than the diuretic tablets like Lasix and Dieter, nobody is having the naturals, but we are having these naturals, and also Graviola plants capsules. These products target over 175 diseases when used in specific combinations. In addition to the medicine, we provide specific diet plan for different conditions and different health disorders. Highlighting food as a medicine. As you know that Charaka, father of Ayurveda, says that Ahari Paramaushadam, food is the prime medicine. Similarly, father of modern medicine, Hippocrates also says that if you eat food as a medicine, you will not going to eat medicine as a food. And here all our products, medicinal valued products, are 100% herbal. And as per the recent guidelines, all these herbal medicinal products have been considered as a health supplements. Now we are having both health supplements as well as medicines, Ayurvedic medicines. And for export and all, we are giving in the licensing products as health supplements. Whereas in India, it's being used Ayurvedic licensed medicines. And basically, these are all acts as a prebiotics to promote gut health and overall healing. Thank you for joining me in exploring this groundbreaking approach to healthcare. With Neo Ayurveda, we offer a new hope for healing chronic and terminal illness. Stay tuned for more insights and take the first step towards natural healing and wellness. Thank you very much. Thank you.